Today we're going to take a look at a mini vacuum cleaner. Now this is perfect for those that have a little, that maybe work too much on their computers and you have a lot of crumbs or a lot of dust, a lot of dust bunnies. This is something that I actually bought for myself because I do work on my computer and my keyboard is filthy. I may be able to clean that stuff. So I bought something small, simple, easy to set up, easy to use. I don't have to require any batteries, just chargeable, easy to get up and set up and go. This is why I got this. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how to set it up and how well it works. All right, here's this whole system itself. If you guys can see, they give you two actual filters. All right, the power, which is a 5 volts or connection, it's a USB type A connection, and then a warranty card along with the actual instructions manual and how to keep it clean. Besides that, they give you one actual suction which has a brush end, and it does have a retractable just for the actual end instead of the, if you don't want to do the sweep. I normally keep it this way so I could sweep through the actual keyboards. And we're also going to bring a keyboard so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's put it together. Now, prior to setting it up, you got to make sure you have to set up a filter bag. And the filter bags are actually belonging here. I'm going to show you how it goes. See how this is? One's already set up, and then they have two. In case this gets a little filthy or too dirty or not enough air's passing through, you got to replace these, all right? And of course, these are you could pretty much buy them anywhere, and they're replaceable, easy to replace. You put it back in there, clip it back, you put it in the system. This is where the actual dirt and everything comes, all the filth goes in there. You make sure it hits the actual end of it. All right, there's an ending. You can see actually the rivets in there that actually hit, and then it's pretty much just lock it in place, lock it from the bottom, and actually from the bottom to the top, clip it in. And then, of course, they put a tape in here when you're shipping because they don't want to make sure that it turns on while it's shipping, because then the battery is going to drain itself. So that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and put in one of these heads, new heads, if you guys can see it. You just stuck it in there, and then you turn it on, and let's clean the keyboard. So here we have a keyboard, and it does have a lot of dog hair. So all you got to do is just go in through there, sweep it out, get out the dust particles. But right now we don't have anything there. We just collected a couple of dog hairs, and then this is removable too. You don't have to use that. You could keep this in your car. It's not as powerful as I thought it was gonna be. It has some power, but it's only for basic dust particle and a little dog hair here and there and dust bunnies. But anything higher than that, you need more, something more powerful than that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.